In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Notion account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Notion login page. Once the page loads, you'll see the sign-in area where you can choose how you want to access your account. This is the main place where Notion lets you log in, whether you use an email address or a connected sign-in option like Google, Apple, or Microsoft. If you normally sign in with your email address, click into the email field and type in the email associated with your Notion account. Make sure you enter the correct email because this is how Notion identifies your workspace and account access. If you have more than one email address, use the one you originally used when creating your Notion account. After entering your email, click Continue. This will move you to the next part of the login process. Depending on how your account is set up, Notion may guide you through the appropriate sign-in method from there. This is the right option if your account is tied directly to your email. If you originally signed up for Notion using Google, Apple, or Microsoft, you should select that same provider instead of typing your email and continuing through a different path. On the login page, click the sign-in option that matches the one you used when you first created your account. In this example, we're choosing Google. Using the same sign-in provider is important because it helps Notion connect you to the correct account without creating confusion or duplicate logins. Once you click your provider, a sign-in window may appear showing the available account choices. When you see your account listed, click on it to continue. If you're already signed into that provider in your browser, this step is usually very quick. If not, you may need to complete that provider's normal sign-in process before moving forward. After selecting the correct account, Notion will automatically log you in and redirect you to your workspace. At that point, you should be inside your Notion account and ready to start working. As a quick tip, if you ever have trouble logging in, double check that you're using the same email or sign-in method you used when registering. A mismatch between email login and a social sign-in option is one of the most common reasons people can't access the right account. And that's how to log in to your Notion account.